I, please state your name. Solemnly swear that in all things appertaining to the trial of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, now pending, I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution and the laws of the Philippines. So help me God.
Nagbabalik po ako doon sa unang contention, which is the constitutional infirmity ng articles of impeachment. In my opinion, ito po ay premature para po desisyonan po natin yung gabi. Dapat po marinig po natin yung argumento ng mga prosecutors pagdating po ng impeachment trial. At doon po natin malalaman at maintindihan kung ito po ay constitutionally infirm at kung dapat po i-dismiss o i-remand or kung ano man ang action na gagawin po ng ating impeachment court.